Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Great. So, kids, welcome back to your English class. This is your English class. And currently, what topic is going on? Which topic is going on? Pronoun. Yes. And in our last class, we had done one exercise. Yes. So, today we will again do one exercise related to pronoun. So, kids, take out your English notebook. Yes. And write down date. As today is 19 July 2021. What is the date today? 19 July 2021. And today is Monday. 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 And write down CA. And as this is your English grammar work, so you have to mention grammar work. GRAMMAR grammar work. WORK work. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. And here you have to write down the question. UNDERLINE underline the pronoun. PRONOUN pronoun. Underline the pronoun. Now here's the first sentence. I am a boy. BOY boy. Come on, write down. I am a boy. So tell me, what is the pronoun in this sentence? Yes, in our first class, we had already studied I, you, he, she, it. Yes? Do you know? So here in this sentence, this I is pronoun. Underline this I, pronoun. Okay. Now come to next sentence. Done this? Okay. Now this is our second sentence. You, YOU, are very, VERY, very beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. You are very beautiful. So, what is pronoun? Which word is pronoun here? Yes, YOU. Underline this. YOU. Okay. Now come to next sentence, number third. She, SHE, she is a pretty. 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 Pretty girl. 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 She is a pretty girl. वह एक pretty girl है. She. Yes? Nice. She is pronoun. Underline this. She is pronoun. Okay, now come to fourth sentence. He is a doctor. 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 He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Yes, come on, write down. He. Yes. He is doctor. This word he is pronoun. Yes, this he word is pronoun. So he is a doctor. Okay, now come to next sentence, number 5. It is a flower. 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 What is this? Flower. It is a flower. Yes, यह एक flower है. It. Yes, remember? It's very easy, kids. You just have to judge what is pronoun. Yes, for example, I, you, he, she, it. Okay, now come to sixth sentence. She likes her dress. She likes, likes, likes her dress. 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 She likes her dress. Now this word she is pronoun. Yes, this word she is pronoun here. Shall we revise again? Yes, kids. So let's see. I am a boy. So I is pronoun. You are very beautiful. You is pronoun. She is a pretty girl. She is pronoun. He is a doctor. He is pronoun. It is a flower. It is pronoun. She likes her dress. This she is pronoun. Okay? So that's all for today. You have one homework. So kids, you have to write 5 sentences using pronoun. So you have to write 5 sentences in your notebook, and in those sentences you have to use one pronoun. Okay? This is your HA. Complete your CA and HA in your notebook. We will meet in our next class. Okay? Till then, bye bye everyone.